Devkrish, I'm not able to hear, ma.
Now you
Devkrish.
hear, ma'am?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, tell me. Let me answer what teacher is.
Come on, Devkrish.
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க மேம்.
Cow. Let's see whether it is the right answer. Yeah. Okay, next. Madhavan, Naveen is calling you. Next. What is this?
Say loud.
Who is going to say this? Danvin. Who is this? Danvin.
Answer for this.
Pig. Pigleta pigga. Pig. Okay, let's see whether it is the right answer. Yay! Very good, Danvin. Okay, next. Okay. Next, who is going to say Karthikeyan? Okay. What is this? Karthikeyan. Huh? Guduraya. Say it in English. Come on. Horse. Okay, let us see whether it's the right answer. Dun. Horse. Well done, Karthikeyan. Very good. Next, it's going to be Zadi. Zadi, it's very easy, Zadi. Come on, Zadi.
Candy.
Yes?
Candy.
What is it?
Hen.
Henna. Oh my God. Look at the mouth. Is it a hen?
Chick.
Look at the legs. Is it a hen or chick? See see the legs. How is it? Quack. What is it?
Quack.
What is it?
Duck.
Oh my God. Who said? Zadi only? Zadi, did you say duck? Zadi? Okay, let's see whether it is a duck. Okay. Yes. Wow. Good. Okay. Next. Okay. Next, this who is going to say? Devarakshita is going to say. Devarakshita is going to say. Devarakshita, say loudly, Kanna.
Say loudly. Very good. Sheep gives.
Sheep. Okay, let's see whether it is a sheep. Ready? Yes, very good, Devarakshita. High five. Yes. Next, it's going to be Vidyut. Come on, Vidyut. Vidyut. English. Hen. Let us see whether it's the right answer. Yes, hen or chicken, whatever it is, it's right. Okay. Someone named Saranya Kandavelu has joined. Can you please tell me your child's name?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Vishanka?
Yes.
Is it Vishank? You have joined in another name?
No, ma'am.
Same name only. Someone in the name Saranya has joined. Can you please tell me the name?
തമിഴ് വേണമെങ്കിൽ ആൻസർ ചെയ്തു പക്ഷെ
Nitila. Okay.
കോഴി
Okay. Which one is different? This we don't need. Okay, Nitila. Come on. Nitila, are you there? Nitila. Come on, find out what animal is this, Nitila. What animal is this? Come on, guess. Guess பண்ணுங்க, come on. What is it?
சொல்லுமா இது என்ன? கௌ சொல்லு. மேம் பாத்து சொல்லு.
Come on, say. Cow. Let's see. Here. Yes, it is a cow. Okay, next is Vishank. Come on, guess. What is this, Vishank?
What is this? Yes.
Pig.
Huh?
Pig.
Pig. Let's see. Yes, very good. Okay, children, hope everyone has joined. I'm going to come out. We'll start our session. Who is going to say Kidsy Anthem today, children? Who is going to say Kidsy Anthem today?
Nightic.
Yes?
Nightic.
Nightic is going to say?
Yeah.
Yes, come on, Nightic. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Come on. All of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, very good, children. Rohita, join your hands, close your eyes. Yeah, good. Now start. Nightic, start. It's the anthem.
You're with me, you're infinite, you're unique, my potential right. You're the wind beneath my flight, you define me, my potential sight. Today I play to all my mind, I say let's you, my potential sight.
Very good and thank you so much, Nightic. Well done, Nightic. You have done a good job. Thank you so much, Nightic. Okay? Okay. Okay, I'm going to play you the song, children. This time you are going to dance. Mom is not going to dance. Let me see how many of you are dancing correctly. Okay? Rohita, stand properly. Leave your dress down, Rohita. Come on. Ready, children? All of you stand up.
What's going on?
Yes, well done, Vishank. What an energy, Vishank. Good. Well done, children. I saw everyone. Well done. Mainly Tilaka, Karthikeyan, Dhanwen. Very good, children. Ritvik also. Dev Krish. Well done, but only Vidyut didn't dance. Everyone danced. Except Vidyut. Why Vidyut? Should dance, right? Yes or no? Okay,
From
then.
last year I'm saying, ma'am, but he's not dancing.
Okay, come on, all of you go drink water and come back. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma, Vishank.
ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am. Strong.
Yes? Stronger.
Yes.
What are you saying?
Yes, ma'am.
What, ma?
I'm strong and healthy.
You are strong and healthy. Then what? Complete your sentence. You are strong and healthy. That is your sentence, right? Yes or
Then,
no?
then
Mm.
become strong.
Oh, you are grown up now. That's why you are saying this.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
I accept it. High five. High five. High five. Yeah. Very good, Visham. Come on, children. Go drink one glass of water and come back. Get ready for our attendance. Come on. Okay, Dashika is absent today. Devarakshita. Devarakshita.
Morning. Say louder, Papa. Uncle ma'am பார்த்து சொல்லுங்க.
On the day only you said no. Very good girl. Right now, today also you say me. Come on.
Say louder, Papa. Come on. Very. I am DK Devarakshita. Uncle ma'am பார்த்து பேசு. I am DK Devarakshita. Say Devarakshita. Say louder. Mama, I can.
You say, Ma, I can hear you. You say, you don't listen to anyone. You say, good girl. Say.
I am DK Devarakshita. I'm studying junior KG. I'm a kitsy girl.
It's a girl, huh? Okay. Very good, Devrakshita. Thank you so much. Devkrish.
My name is Devkrish. I am studying in junior KG.
Well done, Devkrish. Danvin.
My name is Danvin Sai. I am in junior KG. I am 4 years old.
Very good, Danvin. Hashni.
My name is Asini. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Dikshan is present, huh? Dikshan.
Junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Janavi.
My name is Janavi. Then junior KG. I am a kid. Yes, 4 years old.
Very good, Janavi. Kartikeyan.
My name is Karthikeyan. My name is different.
Very good, Kartikeyan. Kavyani.
I am Anila, ma'am. My name is Kavyani. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good. Where is your have a good day? Good morning, ma'am and all. You joined lately only? Okay. Okay, Kana. Nukshita. Sorry, Naitik.
My name is Naitik. I'm studying in junior KG. I'm 4 years old.
Very good, Naitik. Nukshita. Nukshita. Is absent today. Okay. Pranita.
Good morning, ma'am. I am prepared.
Huh? What? No. That's it. I can't hear anything. Come on. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pranita. What, ma?
Sir.
Okay, I'm marking you, Pranita. Rohita.
My name is Saddam Wadas from junior KG.
Very good, Rohita. Ritvik. Ritvik.
I am junior KG boy.
Junior KG boy. Okay, Nitila. 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 Okay, Nitila, I'm marking you, Nitila. Satvika. Okay, Nitila, come on, tell me your attendance.
Nitila. I'm studying.
Very good, Nitila. Very good. Satvika. Satvika. No. Siddharth. Okay, good morning. Tarnika. Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. Tilakar. Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita. Very good, Tilakar. Vishank. Vishank. Yeah, tell me, Vishank.
My name is Sushant. I am a junior kid. Ma'am, ma'am,
Ah. Mm. Say, ma.
good. Ma'am, ma'am,
Mm.
I'm
I'm
a man.
watching you say. I am a boy.
He is strong.
Okay. Next, anything else? Okay, thank you so much, Vishant. Vivan, Vivan, Vivan. Very good, Vivan. Vidyut.
Funny.
Starting in junior KG.
What is your name? Studying
Funny.
in junior KG. What is your name then? Junior KG is your name, ah?
Funny. I am Chiviti Pastipari.
I am Jeevitu Twadru starting in junior KG.
Wow, Vidyut. Thank you so much, Vidyut. Zadi. Zadi. Zadi.
My name. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jerry. I am 4 years old. I am studying in junior KG. I am Gichikan.
Very good, Zadi. Lakshana. Lakshana. Lakshana has joined. Okay, children. Finished with our attendance. Okay, rhymes. Who is going to sing the butterfly rhymes today? Come on, who is going to sing? Fast, children. We have more worksheets today. Come on, finish our rhymes and then we'll go to our worksheets. Come on, children. Who is going to sing? Kartikeyan, come on, sing Kartikeyan. I'll show you the butterfly sheet. First comes the butterfly.
On the butterfly, on the butterfly,
And lays an egg. Mm. With many legs, okay?
Many legs.
Mom, you don't know this, mom. He wants to sing that spider rhymes, mom.
Spider, okay, under a web, come on. Under a...
Web. Beside it. Yes.
Oh, busy buzzing bee and all is lost. Oh my God. Kartikeyan, sing along with ma'am, okay? Under a web beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. Okay? Yes? Okay, next children, who is going to sing the rhyme? Butterfly or spider?
Ashini.
Hashini. Come on, Hashini.
And the bed, the spider get its spider hands is so eight. A walking fly so busy basure. 6 black furry legs has she.
Very good. Nighty, come on, sing the butterfly rhyme. Very good. Yes, ma.
She wants to sing the butterfly rhymes also.
Butterfly also, come on, sing.
Ah.
Comes the leg. I need the caterpillar legs on the leg.
Legs on the wigs.
The bounce away the leg. The butterfly the leg.
Chevet. Something you don't know the word? Yes, that is. First comes the, listen, okay, Hashni? First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. Okay? The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Legs means legs. You have 2 legs, right? Caterpillar is having many legs. See here, lot of legs is there. Legs, okay? Caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. This one, pupa, okay? Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay, children, shall we move on to our sight words, children? Ready? Yes, come on. What is this? Come on, children, fast. Children, are you all sleeping? Come on. AM. Very good. Next. AN Asa. AN. Very good, Danvin. AS. 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 Okay. AT. Ach. Very good. Nighty, come on, answer. HE. HE. E. Vishant. Answer, Vishant. IF. 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 Very good. IN. In. ZD. Look at the screen. IN. In. Okay. IS. Very good. IT. It. Vidyut. Answer Vidyut. NO. What is NO? Can anybody tell me what is NO? NO is not on. NO is no. You will say no, mummy. No, daddy. Yes? This NO is no. What is NO? No. Nitila, look at the screen. NO. No. Okay? OF. Take. OF. Off. I want everyone to look at the screen and answer. Okay? If you are not unmuting yourself also, you can answer, children. Okay? OF. Off. ON. On. Okay. What is this? Spell the word and say the answer. Very good, Arnika. A-N-T, ant. Next. Bag. Very good. All of you mute yourself, children. Children, all of you mute yourself. I'm going to call one by one and ask you. Come on, mute yourself according to attendance order. We'll go. Okay, first it's going to be Devarakshita. Come on, read Devarakshita. What is this? Huh? Come on, read the word, ma. Spell it out. Fast. Bag. Very good. Next, it is Danvin. Very good, Danvin. Dev Krish. Very good, Dev Krish. Dikshan.
DOE boys.
Very good, Dikshan. Hashni.
This B.
Yes. Bus.
Very good, Janavi. Janavi. Okay, Janavi is not there. Karthikeyan, read out. Mm. 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 Very good. Kavyani.
Ma'am, Janvi came, ma'am.
Okay, Janavi, read out.
Janvi, come to the screen. Come to the screen, ma'am.
Wait, Kavyani, wait, ma.
Ma'am, she's not at all sitting again in the class.
Janavi. Where are you, Janavi? I can't see you. Where are you, Janavi?
She's not interested to do her homework also.
Why? Yes, I didn't receive her homework also. Yes, I thought of talking with you at the end of the session. I want to talk to her. Please stay, okay? Janavi, you have to stay in the end of the session, Janavi. I want to talk to you, Janavi. Okay, come on, read the word. You are a good girl, no? Yes, you are my good girl. Vanilla ma'am's good girl, right? Come on, read out. See? Read out, Janavi, come on. Okay, come on, I'll not ask you anything. Come on, good girl. Read out. See? Janavi, what happened to you, ma? Come on.
Good girl, Gada. You're a good girl, no? Then otherwise, help me take you to the school.
Okay, don't force her. I'll talk to her, okay? Don't force her, Janavi's mom. Okay, Kavyani, come on, say.
Yeah.
Who's waiting for the school reopening date now?
CR Kar, very good, Kavyani. Janavi, I'll speak with you. Wait. Next. Okay, 1 minute. Night take.
C.
Night take.
A. T. J.
Very good, Nitik. Next is Pranita.
P-O-W, cow.
Very good, Pranita. Ritvik. Fast, children. Come on. Ritvik.
Cup.
Very good, Ritvik. Rohita.
Duck.
Huh? What, ma? Say slowly, Kanna.
Slowly, D.
Duck.
Very good, Rohita. Satvika is absent today. Siddharth. Sorry. Siddharth, read the word.
Read the word. D.
Sia.
చూడు మ్యామ్ అమ్మ రీఫ్లెక్ట్ డి
Siddharth.
C-O-D.
Siddharth, are you present here or you are not present here? Is it C?
What is this?
Is it C?
C-O-D. ఏముంటాయి ఇలా?
Dog. What happened to you, Siddharth? Janvi, come on, read the word.
C-U-P. Cup.
Very good, Janvi. That's my girl, Janvi. Okay? Tarnika.
C-O-W, cow.
Very good. Tilakar. Tilakar. Read the word, ma. Spell out the word. C. Yeah. Yeah. Is it E? A. C-A-T. C-A-T. Cat. Okay, Vidyut. 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 Come on.
What is it? Pare.
C.
Pare.
Yeah, come on, Vidyut. C.
Okay.
C. A-R.
And he got angry that I unmuted.
For this and all, you'll get angry, children. Really unbelievable, children you are. Come on, Vidyut. Don't. You're angry with Mama only, not with Vanilla ma'am, right? Come on, answer. See? I'm going to change Vidyut. Okay, next is Vishank. Come on, read out. Vishank, read out.
I'm calling you, Vishan. Read out.
Vishank. What happened, Vishank?
Vishan, come here.
Vishank. Vivan, read out the word. I'm not going to talk with Vishank hereafter. I will not at all call you and I will not at all talk with you. Come on, Vivan.
once again read
C-A-T, car.
C-A-T car, Is it C-A-T car?
C-A-T.
C-A-R. Vivan, focus, Vivan. C-A-R, car, okay? Zadi, read out the word.
C-A-D.
D, D.
look at the screen Zidi
C-A-P, cab. Okay, Nitila. Nitila. B.
yes
Bus. Very good, Nitila. Okay, children, I'm going to come back. Today we are going to learn a new topic, children. We are going to learn about reptiles. Okay, today we are going to learn about reptiles. Last week we learned about frog. Yes or no? Okay, frog is a. What is a frog, children? All of you mute yourself. Come on. Anyone who knows the answer only is going to answer. Okay. What is a frog? Sorry. Frog is a. Frog is a. Yeah, frog is a amphibian. And who is going to say the life cycle of a frog? Who is going to say? Tarnika already said. Except Tarnika, who else is going to say? Dev Krish, come on, Dev Krish.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்து சொல்லுங்க சத்தமா சேல
Egg. Sorry, tadpole.
full frog தான் சொல்லு
Correct only, full frog. Okay, very good, Dev Krish. Ritvik, will you say Ritvik? Ritvik. Come on, Ritvik. Under it. First is egg.
tadpole.
Next.
And the tadpole into a float.
Huh?
And the
Ritvik is playing. Ritvik, look at ma'am. Ritvik, look at ma'am only. Wait, Siddharth, mute yourself. I'll call you, Siddharth. Come on, Ritvik. What is this, Ritvik?
What is this?
frog egg.
Frog egg. Okay. Next, what is this?
Tadpole.
Okay, what is this?
Lake.
Froglet.
Lake.
Froglet.
Froglet.
Adult frog.
And under the frog.
Under the frog. It's not under the frog. It's adult frog.
Under the frog.
Very good. Okay, next, Siddharth. Come on, fast.
சொல்லுமா சொல்லு
Siddharth.
Yes. Tadpole. Froglet. Adult.
Adult frog. Okay? Okay, next we'll see who is going to say night egg. Night egg.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, say.
Egg. Tadpole.
Mom, check your present.
Lake.
1 minute.
Tadpole with the egg.
Tadpole with leg. Okay, next.
Then big
frog. Okay, today we are going to learn about reptiles. Okay, children, today we are going to learn about reptiles. Are you all able to see my screen? Mama, now my screen is visible?
எஸ் மேம்
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, we are going to learn about reptiles. Do you know what is reptiles, children? Reptiles, they used to crawl on the ground. Okay, they used to crawl on the ground. They do not walk or run like other animals. How lion, tigers, they will all run, right? Like that, they will not run like that. They will crawl on the floor. So they are called as reptiles. Okay, children, so today we are going to see some reptiles. They also lay eggs, but not in water, but on the ground. Okay, let's see some reptiles. What is it, children? What do you see here? A crocodile. Yes, crocodile is a reptile. Okay, next. Snake. Snake is also a reptile. Okay, it also crawls on the floor. What is it? Lizard. Yes, lizard is also a reptile. And what is this, children? Can you see? Don't shout, Ma, Zeddy. Come on, what is this, children? Can you see? Can anyone tell me what is it? Chameleon. Yes, it's a chameleon. And can you see, children, one speciality you can find in chameleon, wherever it goes, it fixes to that environment. Okay, if it is sitting on a leaf, it turns its color to green color. Okay, now the chameleon is sitting on the branch of a tree. Okay, can you find the difference between the chameleon and the branch? They look same, right? Yes, it changed its color like the branch. Why it is changing its color like this, children? Why is it changing its color like this? Can anyone tell me? In order to escape from their enemies. Okay, enemies means the animals which they hunt all these chameleon and eat. Okay, so that only they change their color so that their enemies will not find them. If they sit in the leaf also, they will change their color into green color so that the enemies, they will not find those chameleons. Okay, next is, what is this, children?
Tortoise.
Tortoise. Tortoise is also a reptile. Okay, and can you see here? Okay, it's also a reptile. See here, children, what is happening here? Can anyone tell me? Can anyone tell me what is happening? Okay, what does a tortoise have in its back? What a tortoise has in its back? It has a shell. Okay, what for is it? Okay, how does it use its shell?
Hide.
How does it use its shell? Nitik, you have to look at the screen, listen to ma'am, and then you have to react, Nitik, okay? How does it use its shell, children? See, whenever it sees some enemies near them, if someone is coming to hunt it, what it will do? It will go inside that shell and it will protect itself. Yes, it will protect itself by going inside the shell. Now, can you see the head of the tortoise? Can anyone see the head of the tortoise?
No.
Yes or no? No. Where is it? Where the head has gone? No head of a tortoise. Where is the head, ma?
Hide.
Ah, it is hiding inside it. Okay, it is hiding inside the shell. Okay, so this is the advantage of a tortoise. Okay, so what are all the reptiles we saw today? It is tortoise. Then what we saw? Lizard. Then we saw tortoise, lizard, chameleon, and then what we saw? Remember, children, what we saw? Lizard, okay. Then snake and crocodile, okay. So today's worksheet is also going to be based on that only, and the worksheet number is D68CT. D68CT. This worksheet, children. Today's date is 19/10/2020. Come on, write the date. Here, what are you going to do? You are going to circle all the reptiles, children. Come on, write the date and get ready.
सर रेप्टाइल्स को सर्कल करो.
Write the date.
रेप्टाइल्स को सर्कल करो. पकड़ो.
What is the reptile here? Tarnika. Tell me what are all the reptiles here, Tarnika?
Go. Crocodile, lizard.
Seahorse is a reptile. Seahorse is a reptile. No. Okay. Then rabbit is a reptile.
She is the marine animal.
No, you will circle rabbit. No. And then fish is a reptile. No, fish is not. No, it's also not a reptile. So what all you will circle? You will circle crocodile, tortoise, snake, lizard.
जो reptiles है
Chameleon or lizard? Okay, chameleon.
reptiles इसको करो.
Lizard or chameleon, whatever it is, you will circle this, but you will not circle seahorse, fish and rabbit. Okay. Next worksheet, children, those who finish, you can carry on with D69CT.
उसका ध्यान नहीं जाता है. Reptiles ये पढ़ा रही थी ना, crocodile, tortoise, lizard और snake. हाँ, करो उसको. जल्दी करो, दूसरा वर्कशीट आ जाएगा. जल्दी करो.
Want me to show the worksheet? Ready? Finish कर लिया?
नहीं.
Come on. Circle the crocodile, circle the snake, circle the lizard and tortoise. Okay? Fish and all you should not circle because fish is a marine animal. Seahorse is also a marine animal. And rabbit is not a reptile. Okay? Take this worksheet, children. It's D69CT. D69CT. Here you are going to match the shadows. Hope it will be very easy for you, children. But be sure that you are matching the chameleon and the lizard properly. Look at the tail and identify, children. And then do it.
Ma'am, finish.
Very good, Tarnika.
Finish.
You have crocodile, tortoise, chameleon, lizard and snake. All these are reptiles. You are going to match the shadows of it. It's going to be very easy. Come on, do it fast, children. Those who finish, take the language sheet. It's D69LT. D69LT. I know you will do it correctly, children. So no need to show me. Once you finish, you take this worksheet and do it. It's W. Shall we see the pictures related to W? Yes. W for watch. W for wheel. W for window. W for watermelon. W for well. W for wall. And W for water. I see the kites flying. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the clouds moving. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong.
இது நான் எழுதுறேன்.
நைட்டே பண்ணிடுறேன்.
சரி இரு ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
Why, ma Vishang? Why will you do it in the night time? Why don't you do it now?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. I'm
Vishang.
writing.
Vishang, first you have to be patient, Vishang. You have to control your anger first. Whatever you want to say, you have to control your anger, ma. Come on. Have to do the worksheet. Everyone, your friends, everyone are doing the worksheets, right?
மட்டும் பண்ணிடலாம்ப்பா.
சரி.
Yes, ma'am is also doing the worksheet.
Okay,
Yes
ma'am,
or no?
Okay, ma'am.
No.
Come on, do it.
Okay,
See, you are going to match the shadow of reptiles, Vishang. It's going to be very easy. Come on, do it, Kana.
மேட்ச் பண்ணுங்க. இது ஈஸி தானே. மேட்ச் சூப்பரா.
Easy, very easy, Vishang. You will do it very easily. I know that. You're a strong boy.
மேட்ச்.
Yes, Vishang is a strong boy. He's a grown-up boy.
ஓகே மேம் சார்.
Crocodile.
Morning only you said, ma'am, I am strong. I am grown-up and all. And now you are fighting. What is this, Vishang? When your friends are all doing your worksheet, you should also do, no? Then you will sit and do separately, alone. Nobody will be there with you to do the worksheet. Yes? Now, along with your friends, you can do, right? Night time means who will be there? Only your mama and daddy will be there. No one will be there with you. Come on, do it. Very good boy. That's it. 2 worksheets you have done. Concept, 2 worksheets you have done. Circle the reptiles and all.
Yeah, ma'am.
Circle the reptiles. Tortoise. Circle the tortoise. D68 CT.
Circle the top.
Circle the tortoise. Circle the crocodile.
Crocodile. Crocodile.
Circle the snake. And finally circle the, what is there? Reptile. Find out.
What is the reptile?
Lizard.
Lizard, sir.
Lizard is also a reptile.
Where is the lizard? Lizard in there.
Find out where is the lizard.
Hmm.
Is it there?
Where is the snake? Snake. Where is the snake?
Snake.
Circle it.
Others you can carry on with your W worksheets. Children, another worksheet also you have in your workbook. That sheet also you can write.
Bunny.
Bunny is not a reptile.
Bunny is not a reptile. You didn't listen when I taught you what is reptile. Reptiles will crawl on the floor. Bunny will crawl on the floor. Bunny will run and hop, right? So it is not a reptile, okay? Okay, come on. Take this worksheet, W worksheet. It's very easy. Up, down, like that you are going to write. Those who finished the worksheet, please tell me. We have an activity for children, those who finished.
இது பண்ணிட்டு இது பண்ணுவேன்.
சரி, இத பண்ணு முதல்ல. Thank you.
I'm watching you, Vishang. You do it, ma. You're a good boy only. Do it. Fast you have to write, okay? Tarnika finished.
போட்டாச்சு.
Tarnika, once you finish, let me know, Tarnika, okay?
Up, down. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, come on.
Ma'am, Siddharth finished.
Siddharth finished? Very good, Siddharth. Okay, that's it, worksheet. Come on. Look at the screen and read the sentence. First one. Keep your pencils down, concentrate and read. What is it?
I am.
Very good.
I am.
Very good. I am I am a B-O-Y. What is B-O-Y?
Boy.
Boy. What is the full sentence? Come on, read the full sentence. I am a boy.
boy.
How will you read? One more time.
I'm a boy.
Okay, second sentence.
I'm a girl.
Tuck, you're reading, huh? Okay, third sentence. This one is going to be difficult for you. The
Dog.
dog. Siddharth's mom, don't teach him. Let him try it. The dog. Oh my God, left out, huh? Tarnika, finish. Yes, Tarnika. Come on, read the sentence, Tarnika. Children, those who finish will do this activity. Come on, finish fast, children.
I am.
Don't look at your mama. Look at the screen.
First
I'm a dog.
first line பாரு.
First one, ma. I am.
இது என்னது?
Okay, no issues.
Sheep.
It is not writing, ma'am.
Zeddy. Come on, write Zeddy. Then only reading time will come. Come on. Jaldi likho.
IS na is ON na on D.
Siddharth has come back. Okay, Siddharth, read. Tarnika, by the time you practice these sentences, okay?
Pardon.
Siddharth, come on. The third one. The. What is that picture? Dog. IS.
Dog
IS.
is
Very good.
ON.
ON.
off.
On.
Off.
Okay. On, ma. ON. No, it's on.
On.
THE.
The
Next. What is that picture?
rat.
What is that? Mat.
Mat.
Okay. The dog is
சொல்லு.
is on the mat.
Mat.
Okay, next sentence. Come on, keep your finger and see, ma. Then only one by one you will move. Next sentence. The. Keep your pointer finger in the screen. The.
Cat.
Cat. IS. Is. IN. In. THE.
TH என்ன?
The. What is that? Box. Very good. The cat is in the. No. The cat is in the box. That is the sentence. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Siddharth. Next is Tarnika. Tarnika. Yes, ma. Dekrish. I'll finish with Tarnika and come back. Okay. Tarnika.
Yes.
Come on, say, read out the sentence. Others, mute yourself. Come on.
First line.
Fast, Tarnika. I
am
Mm.
O
என்னது?
BOY.
boy.
Very good, Tarnika. Next, I
am a G
GIRL. Girl. Next. Very good. Next. The dog is on the mat. Okay, next. Mat. Next one. Next, ma. The what is that picture? The cat.
படி இது சொல்லு. The என்னது?
Cat.
The cat is
Cat is IN. Okay, having some network issues, I hope. Okay, very in the box.
சொல்லு.
Box. Very good, Tarnika, but you have attempted very well. Okay, thank you so much, Tarnika. Next, it's going to be Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Come on, read out the sentence.
Watch the sentence.
Slowly spell out and read, okay? I.
Read, ma. In the
No
sentence.
problem, you read. I am reading with you, no? Read. சொல்லுமா தேவ் கிரேஷ்
இருக்குது இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் பாருங்க
first one am what is am
what is the letter spell the letter
what is the sound of a right b o y what is b o y you have the picture see you have the picture also you need not worry if you don't know to read the word you can see the picture and say okay Madhav Krish second sentence I am what is that GIRL girl very good now third sentence THE the very good the dog is ON the what is that mat very good Dev Krish next one very good Janavi I'll call you Janavi the the cat iron in THE the you didn't finish right the box very good Dev Krish very good high five Dev Krish high five well done Kanna okay next is Danvin
Yes, ma'am. Solle.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on read out the sentence Danvin I
am a boy.
oh wow what memorized cheater boy memorized Danvin's mom this is not fair
No, ma'am. He knows the IAM word already, ma'am.
okay fine okay sorry Danvin okay come on say
I am a boy. I am a girl. TSC. The. ON.
The after the what picture you have Danvin you are going to look at ma'am 6 months is going to over and now also you are not looking at ma'am dog look at the screen only the dog is ON again THE the what picture is there mat the dog is look at the screen the dog is on the mat okay next one very good Zeddy I'll come back Zeddy okay the cat
IS
is
in THE
the
Box.
very good Danvin and thank you so much Danvin high five Appa. Okay very good next is Janavi still children how many of you are writing children Janavi come on read out the sentences Janavi stop playing Janavi look at the screen focus Janavi keep everything whatever you have in your hand keep it down look only at the screen I am B-O-Y.
A-O-Y.
Mm.
Ball.
Very good. Next sentence. Good girl. Next. I. Mm. Fast, Janavi. Others also have to read, no? Come on. I. Mm. What? A-M. What is it? What is that given there? G-I-R-L. G-I-R-L. I am a girl. Next sentence. Next sentence. Next. The dog. I-S. I-S as I-S is O-N. T-H-E. The. What picture is that? Mat. The dog is. Yeah, mat only. Listen. The dog is on the mat. Okay, very good. So next sentence. Next. Last one. Next. The.
What is it?
The cat. I-S is as The cat is in the box. Very good, Janavi. Very good, but very playful you have become nowadays, Janavi. Next, Zadi. Come on, read out Zadi.
This is why.
Spell out the word. Spell out the word. B.
B.
Yeah. B-O-Y.
Why?
What is it? Boy. Very good. Second sentence.
Say louder.
This is
I.
A-M-N.
An. It's not an. Am. Am. G-I-R-L.
I-R-L. Girl.
Very good. Third sentence.
Dog.
The. T-H-E.
Dog. Dog. I-S. O-N.
O-N. On. Again T-H-E. What is T-H-E?
T-H-E. What is T-H-E?
T-H-E.
The. What is that picture?
Mat.
Very good, Zadi. Last sentence. The dog is on the mat. Next sentence. T-H-E.
T-H-E.
The. What picture is that?
Cat.
Cat. I-S.
Is
Is I-N.
In.
T-H-E.
T-H-E.
The. What picture is that? Box. Very good. The cat is in the box. Very good, Zadi. Well done, Zadi. Okay, children. Children, it's time up. Others, just look at the screen. I am going to read it for you. Hashni, can you read, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, read out.
I
I am a
Mm.
boy.
Very good.
Boy.
Very good.
Am
Mm.
a
Mm.
girl.
Very good. Next.
The
Mm.
dog
Mm.
is
Mm.
no
No, it's not no. O-N?
when
on
On.
on
Mm.
the mat.
mat.
Matt, very good. Last sentence. Well done, Hashni. Next. Last.
Is
Cat
cat
is
Mm.
ah
I-N? I-N?
I
in
Again, T-H-E?
he
no he the
T-H-E.
T-H-E-D.
D. What picture is that? Box. Very good, Ashni. Well done, Ashni. Did it very well. Children, I'm going to read it for you. Come on. Look at the screen, children. Everyone, it's time up. We are going to close the session. Come on, look at the screen. First sentence. I am. Am. A is given. The sound of A is a. So you have to pronounce it as a. B-O-Y. Boy. Next is I-A-M. Am. A. G-I-R-L. Girl. Third sentence. T-H-E. The. Picture is dog. I-S is O-N. On. T-H-E. The. Picture mat. The dog is on the mat. And the fourth sentence, T-H-E, the. Picture is cat. I-S is I-N, in. Again, T-H-E, the. Picture box. The cat is in the box. Okay, like these sentences tomorrow also we'll learn, children. Okay, time up. Thanks for cooperating. Bye, children. Yes, bye, children. Bye, bye, everyone. Bye, everyone. Yeah, bye, children. Bye. Yeah, bye, Derakshita. Bye, Zaid. Bye, Rohita.